Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming exactly which yarn Sentro model you have and why you're changing the yarn. This avoids incompatible spools. Once identified, power down and unplug the unit, safety first. Open the access panel with the correct screwdriver, keeping screws organized. Remove the old spool by releasing the tension pawl and guiding the yarn out. Do not yank. Make sure the feed path is clear of lint. A clean path prevents jams once you install the new yarn. You now place the new yarn spool on its holder, ensuring it rotates smoothly toward the feed direction. This prevents reverse tangles. Thread the yarn through the tensioner, the guide tube, and the sensor eye, keeping light tension as you go. Once threaded, set the tension knob to the manufacturer baseline. Too loose causes slack, too tight risks breakage. Once done, manually advance a few centimeters to confirm consistent movement. If movement stutters, recheck the guide alignment and retention carefully. You finish by closing the access panel, restoring power, and running a short low-speed test to confirm smooth feeding. Watch the yarn path closely. Make sure the sensor registers movement and that the tension maintains steady output. If you hear clicking or see inconsistent feed, stop immediately. These signs indicate misalignment or a snag. If a jam occurs, reverse the feed slowly, remove the spool, and inspect each guide for lint or burrs. Cleaning and realignment usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.